Tim Dolphins versus the Florida Knights. With the God of Thunder. His name is Thor.
A warm welcome to one and all. You are watching Jack's Crick TV, brought to you by Mabby Productions. And yes, we were off for a few months, and during that time, believe me guys, we miss you so much, and hopefully you missed us too. If you don't, just close the video and leave. We cannot be friends anymore. Oh, you're still here. That means you missed us. Now let's move on to some exciting stuff. The most awaited cricket event in Jacksonville is RCPL, which is River City Premier League, and it's back again in 2021. And in this video, we'll be talking about what happened in week 1. But before we go into that details, I would like to thank our sponsors, Dental Center of Jacksonville, one-stop solution for all your oral needs.
Every patient is individual, every patient is unique in their own way, and we have to treat each of them according to what they need. Dentistry is not supposed to be complex, neither is supposed to be confusing. Dentistry has evolved, but at the same time we keep it very simple. Every one of us are here to answer your questions, to address your needs, and we will listen to you, not the other way around.
I love my patients as a hygienist, so I definitely look forward when I'm coming to the office. I always see that it's going to be my good day, and I think like that for every day.
What separates us from the others is the attention to the detail, but more importantly, to spend quality time with the patient, get to know them, build that trust, build that relationship. Everything has become a lot more patient-friendly. That means you will get to see what we see, and according to your needs, we will address what you feel comfortable.
That's a very important part in dentistry. Honesty and treating people not like patients but like family.
3 words: simple, conservative, and most important, preventative. Regular checkups and just a basic cleanings can prevent 99% of the dental problems that come about in anyone's life.
Without much ado, let's take a look at the inauguration ceremony.
గ్రౌండ్ మటుకు మొత్తం ముస్తాబు చేశారు.
Have the first game of RCPL, the inaugural game between VRT, the last year champions, and the Florida Knights, the last year runner-up. It's going to be a rematch, and the toss is called by Florida Knights. Heads and tails, Florida Knights will call it. Heads is the call, and heads.
All right guys, all the best. Go VRT.
1, 2, 3, go Knights!
That was beautifully covered by Venkat Madhukuri, and he also runs a channel named Telugu Traveler Talks. And if you guys like to see vlogs and travel videos, you should definitely go to his channel and check it out. It's awesome. Link is in the description. Now to know more about all the matches that happened in week 1, we will go to our own cricket expert, Miss Abigail.
Hey everybody, we're back. I know it feels like it's been ages, but what better way to come back and start with the River City Premier League? We started last weekend with some pretty good games, lots of softball. I went to one of them, it was pretty good. Anyway, so let's get to that recap, and then that way we can get started with this season. First game on Saturday were VR Tyndalkers versus the Florida Knights. Florida Knights won the toss and they chose to bowl. VR Tyndalkers scored 113 runs with a loss of 5 wickets in their 12 overs. Florida Knights scored 65 runs with a loss of 10 wickets in 9.3 overs. VR Tyndalkers won by 48 runs, and the man of the match there was Sami Nathan Muralidharan. Our next game was Fifth Element versus Bavarchi Boys, the battle of the food places. Fifth Element won the toss and they chose to bat. They scored 87 runs with a loss of 10 wickets in 12 overs. Bavarchi Boys scored 91 runs for a loss of 1 wicket in 8.2 overs. Bavarchi Boys won by 9 wickets, and the man of the match there was Chandrasekhar Mandali. Now we're coming to Sunday, which started off with the Sunrisers versus the Florida Jets. The Sunrisers won the toss and they chose to bat. They scored 87 runs for a loss of 7 wickets in 12 overs. The Florida Jets scored 91 runs with a loss of 7 wickets in 11.4 overs. The Florida Jets won by 3 wickets, and the man of the match there was Bhavin Patel. Our last match on Sunday were the Patriots versus the Royals. Patriots won the toss and elected to bat. They scored 106 runs with a loss of 8 wickets in their 12 overs. The Royals responded and scored 98 runs with a loss of 10 wickets. The Patriots won by 8 runs, and the man of the match there was Swaroop Reddy.
Thank you, Abby, for giving us an awesome summary for the week 1. Now let's move on to see some stats for this week. Looking at the batting card, Swaroop Reddy from Patriots is leading the way with 43 runs, followed by Saminathan Muralidharan from VRT, 40 runs, Shazrin M from Florida Jets, 35 runs, Hirak Desai, Bawarchi Boys, 35 runs, Chandrasekhar Mandali, Bawarchi Boys, 32 runs. In bowling department, Sunil Nair from Royals is leading the way with 4 wickets, followed by Vijay Pitta, Bhavin Patel, Rajendra Neerukonda and Naveen Modali at 3 wickets each. In fielding, Sandeep Prasad from Bawarchi Boys is leading the way with 4 points, followed by Vishwa Kalyan, Muralidharan VB, Bala Govi, Bharanidharan Lakshmikantan, Bhargav Srirangam, Chaitanya Reddy Kondapalli and Prafur Penamakuri. And in the race for most valuable player, Saminathan Muralidharan from VR Tendulkars is leading the way with 261 points, closely followed by Bhavin Patel 218, Chandrasekhar Mandali 210, Swaroop Reddy 194 and Sunil Nair 174 points. After week 1, looking at the points table, VR Tendulkars, Bawarchi Boys, Patriots and Florida Jets are at 2 points each, and only thing that is separating these teams is the net run rate. And because of a run rate of 4, VR Tendulkars is leading the table. And looking at the bottom 4 teams, Sunrisers, Royals, Fifth Element Raiders, Florida Knights, this was the first week, so they didn't have a good first week, that's why they are at the bottom, but still there is a lot of time in this tournament. There are 6 more games, and in coming week this table can look completely different. Now that we have seen what happened in week 1, let's take a look at schedule for week 2. On Saturday we have our first game between Patriots and VR Tendulkars in US1, and in San Jose we'll have Sunrisers versus Royals at the 8:30 AM slot. Again on Saturday at 11 AM slot we'll have 2 games. Florida Knights will be playing Fifth Element Raiders in San Jose, and Bawarchi Boys will be playing Florida Jets in US1. Moving on to Sunday 8:30 AM slot, we have 2 games. Florida Jets will be playing Fifth Element Raiders in US1, and Royals will be playing Bawarchi Boys in San Jose. Again on Sunday at 11 AM slot, we have 2 games. Florida Knights versus Patriots, they'll be playing in US1, and VR Tendulkars will be playing Sunrisers in San Jose.
Hey everybody, if you haven't noticed, we're not in our normal location. As many of you might remember, we have shifted locations, so for the past few months now, we have been living with the God of Thunder. His name is Thor. While this one doesn't necessarily control thunder, he does make our lives more interesting. He is part Chihuahua mix. So if y'all are thinking about getting any pets this summer, just think about that they're a lifelong commitment, and sometimes they don't like thunder or fireworks, so just remember that when you're considering being a pet parent. So everybody, for 4th of July, I hope all of y'all had a wonderful time, got to go see some fireworks, and maybe got to stay home with our little friends who don't like fireworks. I just hope you all had a wonderful time with your families and, enjoyed the holiday. Stay safe and best of luck next week to all the teams. Our Tindulkers versus the Florida Knights. So it's a rematch of last year's.
No, just give me an intro first and then we'll go to the matches.
Can you just take what I already just said?
Yeah, I can use.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Feels like it's been so long since.
Your hand was there, so I cannot cut it there. Hey everybody.
Oh, okay. Well, that's fine. I needed a soft. Don't just leave it. Just
Okay.
leave it.
Okay.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the River City.